In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to add money from Apple Pay to Cash App. So first of all, you can see I have $5.17 in my Apple Pay wallet and I wanna transfer it to Cash App. So it's really easy and a straightforward process. First of all, we need to click on the three dots from the top right, and then we'll see bunch of options here. From here, we need to click on transfer to bank in order to transfer our money. Then select the amount you wanna transfer and then hit next from the top right corner. Now it will ask you for the fees and all of that stuff, but you can see I have this bank linked on my Apple Pay. I want my money to be transferred on Cash App. So in order to do that, we need to firstly link the bank which is associated to Cash App, and then we'll be able to transfer the money to the Cash App bank. So for that, we need to go back from here. Now to link a Cash App bank, we need to click on the three dots from the top right, and under it we need to go to card details, and under it we need to go to bank account section, and here you will see all the banks you have listed in your Apple Pay. I just have this one bank, so firstly we need to delete this one and then we'll be able to add a new bank. Then for that we need to select the existing bank, and then we'll be able to see this option which is delete bank account information, and when you tap on it, the bank will be deleted. Now in case you haven't set up any bank in your Apple Pay, then you will see this screen, and if you delete any of the bank, then you will see this screen too. So to add a bank account, we need to click on add bank account option, and then under it we need to enter bank account information from the Cash App. So we need to enter routing number and account number, and to get these numbers we need to open Cash App like so. And then on the Cash App screen we need to go to the left hand corner, and on the bottom of it you need to click on the dollar icon which will be your balance, and here we need to click on account and routing, and when you click on it, then it will display all the account and routing information. Now I have hidden this information due to security reasons. You just have to note down these numbers, then go back to Apple Pay and enter those numbers in the routing number section and account number section. I have hidden the numbers in my case due to security reasons, and now click on next. After that your bank will be added. So Saturn is the bank I have added here which is associated to Cash App, so that if I transfer money to this bank, then it will be automatically reflected on my Cash App account too. So to transfer money, we need to go back from here and then click on transfer to bank like so, and enter the amount you wanna transfer, then hit next from the top right corner. Now it will give you two options. If you want to transfer money instantly, then for that select the first option which will cost 25 cents. And if you want to transfer for free, then you can select the second one, but it will take 1 to 3 business days. So I want to transfer instantly, that's why I'm just gonna select this option and then click on transfer from the top right corner, and then we just have to confirm our transfer, and you can see the amount here, and once you confirm it, the amount will be transferred on your Cash App from the Apple Pay. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.